Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt Display PA24US, a 23.6-inch 4K LCD monitor with integrated calibration. So friends, this monitor features a IPS panel that covers 99% of Adobe RGB and color space and 100% of sRGB, ensuring accurate and consistent color representation essential for tasks such as graphic design, video editing, and photography. And the display comes with factory calibration to provide precise color accuracy right out the box, and this maintains this accuracy over time. The monitor includes built-in calibrator located at the lower left on the display, allowing user to perform regular recalibration easily. And this monitor support multi-input configuration with picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture mode, enabling the connection of multiple devices simultaneously. And additionally, it utilizes adaptive sync technology to offer variable refresh rate, reducing screen tearing, ensuring smooth visual performance. And user comfort is addressed through low blue light setting and 5 adjustable color temperature option, which help reduce eye strain during extended use. And this monitor offers comprehensive connectivity option including USB Type-C port with support 80-watt USB power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0, and 12G HDI input, making it compatible with wide range of devices. And it also includes dual 2-watt built-in speaker for basic audio functionality. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.